Okay, next fan on the list. This is one of only two Lakewood oscillators that I own. This is a 1981 Lakewood Model 1200 with the blue blades and the white base and the clear cage. I got this off of Craigslist from a local ad in Houston, and the seller just happened to be close to where I was working. I'm glad I found this because these are hard to find, and in shipping some of them break. What's even more special about this is that this fan, as you can see here, comes with its original box. So this is my first in-the-box Lakewood. Or as Spats Bear always says, in the box. So here's the front of it. The back's still the same. Actually, I think that's backwards. This is upside down, but as you can see, this originally went to a Kmart store. So anyway, we'll give a look around the fan, then I'll show it running. Here's the view from the back. And you may not be able to, you can barely see it. It's got one of those Fasco motors. It's the same Fasco motors that they put in their box fans from that time period. The date stamped on the motor is J81, which means September of 1981. So this is probably the second to the last year that they made this version. I think 82 was the last year. You know, some of the last ones had a solid white cage, but I was lucky enough to get one with the clear cage. And I've seen quite a few of these around as a kid. Particularly one time I've seen one on display at what used to be our local Woolco in Baytown, Texas, where I was born and raised. Anyway, here it is running. And for a plastic table fan, this is really powerful. Powerful than, like, say, a Galaxy. Medium. Now we'll engage the oscillator. Now that's low with oscillation. Here's medium with oscillation. And here's high with oscillation. And I'll disengage the oscillator. And here's off. And that's my 1981 Lakewood Model 1200 in blue, white, and clear. With the box. Here's the side of the box. So, thank you for watching.